Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this section, we're going to talk about Boolean data types in Python. So a Boolean is a data type that represents one of two values, either true or false. And these values are often used in decision making, logical comparison, and control flow. And in Python, Booleans are case sensitive. It means that when we would like to write them down, we need to use an uppercase first letter. For example, we don't have to write them like this. It's not correct. You see, these examples are not correct. If we want to write down true, we should write it with an uppercase first letter like this. Okay, so let me illustrate it with an example. Here I'm initializing one variable called is sunny and I'm assigning true to it. And I'm having is raining and I'm assigning the false assigned to it. So when I compile this code, I'm going to see two variables being printed in the output in the terminal. So the first one is this print that we are printing out the is sunny variable, and the second one is that we are printing out the is raining variable. So because is sunny equals true and is raining equals false, I would expect to see one true and one false in the output when I run the code. So let me just compile. So it is compiling. Okay, we see now one true and one false. So basically, we are assigning Boolean data types to these two variables. The first one is true and the second one is false. And we are simply printing out the values that are assigned to these two variables. In the next lectures, we are going to do some coding exercises using these Boolean data types to understand how they can help us to have a control flow, logical comparison, or decision making. Thank you for watching.